cannot take our Blackbird out for a joyride. Now stop calling about it.
Hey, Deadpool, it's Domino. So, I got another contract for you if you're interested. The coin is good, so just let me know. Oh, and regarding that other thing you texted me about, I can't. I mean, it was just supposed to be that one time, and Anyway, just call me.
Deadpool, it's Peter Della Penna from High Moon Studios. You know, the guy you kept calling dickhead when you cornered me in the parking lot the other night? Anyway, looked over your proposal. Not gonna pretend I understand any of it, but the answer is no. We're gonna pass on your big game idea.
What? He said no? That was our chance to be in our own video game.
Maybe we shouldn't have written the proposal in crayon.
Relax.
You know he's gonna call back.
Oh, yeah, because of the...
Deadpool! Hey, it's Peter. You know, dickhead. Remember when I called you earlier and told you no? I'm such a joker, because I meant yes, of course. The new proposal you sent over this morning went off with a big bang in the office today. Genius. Just genius. So, sum it up, congratulations. Let's make a video game.
See? Once again, our explosive personality wins the day. High five!
No high fives, we're voices in our head.
I've got my top designers banging away on a script right now. As soon as it's ready, we'll send it right over.
Script? This is bullshit. A script?
Like some dingus word writer's gonna know better than me how to show how amazing I am.
Amazing is more Spider-Man's thing, really.
Yeah, right. What's
Buenas, buenas, mis cabras. Bienvenidas a un gran gameplay de uno de mis personajes favoritos, sea héroe, antihéroe, sea lo que sea. El juego es obligatorio en inglés, ¿vale? No se puede cambiar el idioma, por eso están los subtítulos, ¿vale? Pero bueno, vais a ver, este juego es una locura. Chorradas a saco y diversión por un tubo. O sea, yo me relaciono mucho con Deadpool. Me encanta este pavo. Pero bueno, ya veréis más o menos de cómo va todo. En principio, esto no va a haber ningún problema, porque los primeros días lo intenté grabar y tuve algún problema. Pero bueno, quiero comentaros que no sé cómo voy a acabar los vídeos. A lo mejor se acaban sin que diga adiós. Tenedlo en cuenta, ya sabéis cómo van los gameplays.
You know why I love the internet? Because it's just like me.
Vulgar, combative, and contradictory.
Overflowing with perversion and stupidity? Yes, and yes. Ooh, new Syspop videos. Favorite! How do I update my status to erect? Another friend request from Ryan? Doesn't this guy ever get the hint? How do I update my status to bored shitless?
En fin, voy a ir directo un poco a avanzar la historia. Ya.
Housekeeping!
Underwear? Are you trying to say underwear?
Hello, delivery for Mr. Deadpool. Need your autograph right here, please. Hello, sir. I have a package that...
So do I.
So do I.
Package. Shit, as I suspected. Words. Everywhere. Lame.
We should read some of them.
Fine. Scene 1. Dark and stormy night. Deadpool is contracted to kill media mogul Chance White, who is blah 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 dee blah blah. Don't need that. Edit that.
Ah, crayons. Very classy.
Why are we trying to kill what's-his-face? Who cares? I'm making art here. Behold!
Not sure the player understands our thinking
Hey,
yet.
player, just go with it. We're about to change your fucking life. Bring the noise!
Creo que era el mejor momento para grabar este juego.
Does anybody remember how to play?
I never read the manual.
Can't read.
Yes, I can.
I only play PC games.
Hey, there's some text. Player, read that shit. Do whatever High Moon says. Sweet, jump button.
Light attacks, check. Heavy
Vale.
attacks, got it. I command goons to spawn so we
Bonito
can test
tutorial.
our mad skill. Hey, mix our light and heavy attacks together and see what happens.
Creo que es el mejor momento para grabar este juego, ya que ha salido la peli y tal, ¿no? El simple hecho. Teleport.
Enemies can't hurt us while we are teleporting.
Can't hit what isn't there, baby. You know what's better than not getting hit? Hitting back.
Yay. Mejoras.
Okay, we get it. Buttons do stuff. Let's move on.
What did you have in mind?
Buttons do
Besides
stuff.
you two schmucks. One crate, please.
What?
Whew. Sometimes it's the setup work that'll get you all tuckered out.
Es que todos son frases con segundo sentido
Boing.
Boing, boing.
y cosas así. Me encanta. Let's see. Así que es el mejor momento para grabarlo con la peli y tal. Y bueno, realmente espero que os mole esta walkthrough porque va a ser flipante.
In my game, you get points for killing baddies.
Yeah, and you spend those points to get cool upgrades to make us more badass.
That is impossible.
Yeah, but it's called progression in games. A must-have. Hey, player, open up the upgrade menu and see what we can buy.
What we can buy. Ooh. Let's see. Ah. Se me ha mantenido todo lo que probé con la primera vez que grabé. La primera vez grabé y tuve algunos problemas y tuve que borrarlo. Y parece ser que se me ha mantenido. Pero bueno, no os perdéis nada. Consigue salud. Lleva más munición para todas tus armas. Yeah. ¿Qué más? ¿Qué más? Las katanitas. ¿Qué tenemos? Oh, ¿combo? Pues combos. 32 de daño durante 6 segundos. La pistola. También quiero mejorar lo del dinero de la pistola. ¿Qué es esto? Easy. Oh, no money.
The more bad guys we kill, the more upgrades we can unlock and purchase with our points.
I like to spec my Deadpool for defense and healing.
Yeah, I like to spec my Deadpool for nougat and cream filling, but I don't think that's an option.
Y estas dos voces, en serio, le dan un juego al personaje, me encantan, son lo mejor. Es como tener el triple de locura.
Okay, class. Tap jump while jumping towards a wall to perform a ta-da!
¡Tara! Ok. Tengo el juego en difícil, por cierto. Así que no sé si la liaremos parda o no.
I'd chain wall jumps together to get higher. Press the jump button in midair to do a double jump. Awesome.
Laws of physics beat damn.
Oh, and hold the jump button to mantle up ledges. I think I need to make an entrance.
Let's make an entrance then.
Time to go boom.
I watch him scream.
Phew! That's what happens when you mix C4 with a bean burrito. Now be honest. I'm not the only one with a little bit of shit in their pants right now, am I?
Deadpool, get it! You're on private property. Drop your weapons and surrender, or we will use lethal force.
Hey man, it's me, Deadpool! Didn't I go go to high school with you?
What the hell is going on down there? Security! Get off your duffs and respond. I'll be in my penthouse. Don't let that clown get in here.
Penthouse, huh? Time to hop the elevators. Where could they be?
Tacos. Oh,
Why are we here again? Aha! We're getting paid to off some billionaire douche nozzle.
That'd be media mogul Chance White. Starts
Oh!
a mob, owns a private army, makes babies cry. Your classic easy-to-hate villain.
What are we doing again?
Elevators. Are you even paying attention?
no.
Of course I am. Making sure you were. Couldn't have happened to a nicer bunch of guys.
Wrecked.
Alert! We are locking elevator
Fuck.
access now. Troops should give me that. Listen, you little masked moron. Nobody comes into my house like this. I hope it was worth it.
The elevators are disabled. Oh, I know. Let's just get some chimichangas and wait for him
Chimichangas?
to come downstairs.
Or we could find a way to shut down power to the entire building. That would force a system reset, bringing power back to the elevator.
Like this guy. We should keep him around. To maintenance. Oh, that sounded like boom.
Oh. Oh my god. Sí, sala de mantenimiento, lo he visto. How do I reload?
I need theme music.
Oh,
Yeah, something like that.
hello.
Wrong way.
Oh, no te burles de mí, estoy investigando.
My, what big generators you have.
Is that code?
Nah, innuendo. Innuendo, I forget.
Oh,
This is what I think it is. Jackpot!
jackpot.
Ooh, scary. I'll let those elevators work again. I'm so smart.
Which one of you pinheads shut down the damn power?
I'm
Get
so
down there and
smart.
fix it!
Yep. Habilidades de Deadpool.
Fancy. The higher your combo, the faster you can earn momentum to do awesome moves like that. We can get more momentum moves by upgrading our weapons.
High combos mean more Deadpool points, which mean more awesome upgrades. Got
Oh,
it?
why?
This would go a lot smoother if my reputation preceded me.
I think you need to leave survivors for that to happen.
2 extra slices for just $9.99.
Ah! Just shoot him!
Just shoot him.
How do you fools keep missing?
Nancy, lay off your boys. They are hitting me. It's just that I'm healing. I got a sick healing
¿Qué
thing.
pasa?
Get used to it. Woohoo! Break dance! Booyah!
Gotta love Deadpool. Wrecked.
My bullets.
Bueno, qué decir, el juego es esto. Es mata-mata saco mientras tienes una historia divertida.
Now these should come in handy. An open elevator.
They
That's
suck.
more like it. I aim because I care.
Los controles son raros, eso lo tengo que reconocer. Vale, voy a buscarlo.
I hate waiting.
Shut up. Deadpool, no te metas conmigo.
Hey, this is my jam.
You can't sing.
Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. See, he's like an angel. I'm crazy.
No sé si esto me pondrá copyright.
Crazy for
Seguramente
This
sí.
must be my stop. Ah, There's gotta be a way out of here. Think, Deadpool, think. I gotta get to the penthouse somehow.
Ya llegarás, tranquilo.
Maybe if I use my cat-like agility. Hey, have you bought any upgrades lately?
Nope.
It's a down moment, you know? Might be a good time.
Vale. Me da órdenes. A ver, consigue salud por cada 8 golpes. Inflige un golpe crítico cada 20 golpes. Gana inercia adicional cada 10 golpes. Nah, voy a mejorar la pistola. Añade 4 balas. No. Well, 4 bullets.
You think the bounce house is still pumped up?
Of course it is.
Of course it is. Vale, mantén. ¡Aló! Deadpool viene a entregar un paquete. Y ese paquete es la muerte.
I always thought we'd make a great reality TV show.
Chance White dies at the hands of super sex pot mercenaries. Story at 11. What do you think? Sharp, right?
Break out the heavy firepower. Stop this freak. You imbeciles for. Kill him.
¿Qué intentabas, amigo?
Up the other side. I can't tell.
Oh, rec.
Stay sharp. We are.
¡Eh! Aquí solo disparo yo.
I've got you
Melon.
now, Deadpool. You are literally gonna pay for what you did to Smoke out!
What did smoke? But it'll be harder for you to see how awesome I am.
Heads up. They're dropping in from the catwalks.
Oh shit.
Really? A shotgun? Can you be more of a noob?
Oh, come on, Deadpool. He wrecked me.
Charge set! Fire! Ah, thought I missed.
Boom.
Like a boss.
Yeah.
Guard that exit. Don't let him escape or you're all dead men.
Bullets! How convenient.
¿Cómo era el combo? No, no me acuerdo. Ahí está. Oh, yes.
Kill this guy already. Kill him! He's getting too close.
Ah, cut these guys some slack, Chansey. They're trying their best. I know I said just the tip.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at me when I'm talking to you.
The fuck?
Because you shits can't do your job, I'm calling in my serious backup. Stall Deadpool until they get here.
Oh, he had a lot of guts.
You think you're big time, Deadpool? You ain't shit. I've got dangerous friends. People who will end you. You're out of your league now.
Given the caliber of the guys you're throwing at me now, you'll have to forgive my skepticism.
Didn't you send me an audition tape once? And didn't it suck ass?
If you kill them, they will die. What?
Wreck. Oh my God. Es un caos este juego. Me encanta.
Your blood looks good on my walls. I think I'll keep it like that.
¿Alguien me ha disparado?
Target acquired. Closing.
Oh my god.
Is anyone there? Come in. Did you kill him? I repeat, is the intruder dead? Over.
Hello?
So, where do we go from here?
Only one way to go. Up.
Okay, let's go.
On the roof. Send all available units to the rooftop.
Should we be playing with these things?
The designer wouldn't have put them here if they weren't supposed to be played with.
Good point.
Wow, I can see my house from here.
Ah. Ok. No me acuerdo cuándo dura el juego en sí tampoco. Pero bueno. Tacos and chimichangas. Uh-oh. Oh!
Holy shit! Someone could get hurt on this thing.
Are we going sneaky peeky? Whoa!
If that hit you in the chest, I'm sorry. It's aiming for your crotch.
Oh.
Don't mind me, guys. Just here to steal
That
your
guy got destroyed.
multi-million-dollar military-grade whirlybird. That was sick. I should autograph his face.
Rec. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Tacos?
I want him dead. Get Shark One off the ground and rip him to pieces.
Hostia, me he cargado el de la derecha también.
Damn, they found the helicopter's on switch.
What, you can't hijack a chopper while it's flying around trying to turn you into shredded cheese?
You doubt our skills? Prepare to be amazed! I can't kill that chopper with my guns, but I can scare him.
Oh my god.
Wow, you are one.
Oh,
lucky
what?
guy. That would have taken most people's head clean off.
¿Veis? Esto es lo que os decía que me pasaba. Pero lo solucioné. A lo mejor es porque estoy grabando. Bueno, pues habrá que controlar no bajar mucho de vida. Me pasa cuando baja 40 de vida o cosas así.
We don't
Have it yet. Ok, pues vaya, habrá que vivir con eso.
I've lost him. Send reinforcements to the rooftop to find him.
Lie or die, asshole. Your choice.
Gonna need both hands to shoot that minigun.
Says who? I do stuff with one hand all the time. Take us to the right, my newly acquired pilot. I've got some ammo to spend. So, juice here. Swing around, fly boy. We got heat on our left. It's so loud I can barely hear myself think. I was thinking the same thing. What?
What?
We got company behind us! Make it so!
compromised. Shark 2, blow it out of the sky. Yes, sir.
We got a bad
my
feeling
God.
about this. Keep it steady, dingus. Jeez, I can fly better than that. Hey, gives me an idea. No, wait. Hell yes! Hey, we're flying! We're flying!
We cannot fly.
Well, it is good to have dreams.
Dreams, yes. Delusions?
Yeah! You know what else is good to have? Skills. This might be a good time to buy some upgrades.
Ok, vamos a dejar este primer vídeo aquí. Así que espero que os guste. Esto va a ser una gran gameplay. Al menos a mí ya me gusta y cuando se supone que eso es bueno. Así que muchas gracias por ver. Darle like, comentad, suscribiros y nos vemos en el siguiente vídeo de Deadpool. ¡Chao!